Good morning yet again. Welcome to another video by me, John of JWH Millinery, and this is our Christmas countdown. So today, I need to put my glasses on because I can't see. We have number 10 and I can't quite I wonder what's in here. I am hungry today. I just started going to the gym, so I am hungry. It's like opening up like presents every day. And what have we got in here? Ooh! We have... Okay, so we have some pink Bayot feathers, which are really, really pretty. I do like these, and you can actually do a lot with them. Like, yeah, these are really nice. And we also have some turquoise cork feathers. Now I don't know if you can see because of the light. And together, that's a good colour combo. So I do like today's. So far, I haven't been disappointed. So long may that continue. And like always, I will be listing every day or the description box below of what I get, where it's from. So you can actually purchase that yourself. Today's question of the day is, name some up-and-coming milliners. Now, I used to do on this channel, before I took a break, Milliner Showcase. And when I read this question, I was like, name some up-and-coming milliners. And there was a few that popped straight into mind. Now, I follow a lot of UK-based milliners, and I follow some Australian, and there's a couple of American as well, but predominantly UK and Australian. And I see more from the UK side. So I would probably say, well, Julie Mio, first of all. She's getting around a bit. Like she's got quite a few stockists. Wouldn't be surprised if we started seeing her pieces in things like Vogue very soon. Julian Garner Headwear is another one. He had a beautiful piece last year where he had like a koi on the top of his headpiece, on his hat, London Hat Week. Montgomery Millinery, I remember I've seen a fair bit from him, and he started, I believe, I could be wrong, but I believe he was the one that started the trend of a 360-degree view of the piece. I remember him seeing that. He was the first one that I saw doing that, at least anyway, so there was that. Who else? Australian, I would probably say Taboo Millinery. I think it's Taboo Millinery. Let me double check. Yeah, I've just checked. Taboo Millinery Melbourne. Her pieces are out of this world. I remember featuring her last year on an episode of Milliner Showcase, and I was they are gorgeous. They've just gone from strength to strength. So I would probably say those four are the ones that I'm noticing at the moment. Now, I'm a nobody. Like, I just make videos for YouTube, and people seem to think I've got some sort of, like, I don't know, inner knowledge or inner... I don't. This is just me, my opinions, my views. That is it. So yeah, that I would say definitely those four. And there's probably more that I have missed. I apologise. But yeah, definitely those 4. So thank you for joining me today while we open up, what's today? 10. God, I'm getting confused with the days. So thanks for joining me today, opening box 10. We have a lot of supplies. I'm very excited about all this, and hopefully in January I can work with these materials and put something together. If you haven't already, make sure you follow me on all my social media. They are listed in the description box below. And make sure you subscribe to this channel. It very much is appreciated. If you're already subscribed, hit that notification bell to be notified when we release videos in future. And in December, we're uploading videos every day at 8 AM UK time. I look forward to seeing you tomorrow when we're opening box 11 and wonder what is inside. I'm very excited. And I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.